Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to fill text box with the background color in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show fill text box with the background color. Now firstly draw a text box. Now click for a draw text box. Now draw a text box. Now type from text. Now click for a text fill option. Now go into home menu option. Then resize your text. Now go into the format option. Then click for a shape fill option. Now choose color. That is. Then you show fill text box with the background color. Then again change the background color. Now click for a format option. Then click for a shape option, shape fill. Now you choose color. That is. Then we show that fill text box with the background color in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.